Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up education credits using IRS Form 8863, Beginner Guide step by step clearly. To set up education credits using IRS Form 8863, start by obtaining the form. You can find IRS Form 8863 on the IRS website. Make sure you also have your Form 1040 handy, as you'll need it for filing. Read the instructions for Form 8863 carefully. You'll need to determine if you qualify for either the American Opportunity Credit or the Lifetime Learning Credit. Gather all necessary documents, including your Form 1098-T from your educational institution. This form provides information about your tuition payments and enrollments. Next, fill out Part 1 of Form 8863 if you are claiming the American Opportunity Credit. Enter your enrollment details, including the name of the eligible student. Document the number of years the student is eligible for this credit. In Part 2, if you are claiming the Lifetime Learning Credit, provide the qualifying expenses. This includes tuition and required fees for higher education. Make sure to include the amounts paid during the tax year. Calculate the amounts for either credit according to the instructions. Double-check your calculations to ensure accuracy. Once you've completed all sections, review the entire form. Ensure that each section contains accurate information before proceeding. Next, transfer the total education credit amount to your Form 1040. Make sure to follow the specific line instructions for Form 1040 regarding education credits. Finally, sign and date your Form 8863 once everything is complete. Keep a copy of Form 8863 and all supporting documents for your records. You are now ready to submit your tax return with the education credits claimed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.